The Vivo V50 debuted in India last month, with the company also working on the Vivo V50 Pro and a V50 Lite model as well. Another leak has just surfaced confirming Vivo V50e India launch has been take place sometime in April. The Vivo V50e looks quite like the Vivo S20, which launched last November. It has a dual camera setup at the back with marble-like finish. There's also a ring light below the camera sensors of the Vivo S20. The Vivo V50e will reportedly launch in sapphire blue and pearl white colors. Vivo V50e is feature a 6.77-inch 1.5K quad curved AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It will most likely feature an in-display fingerprint sensor, an IP68/69 rating for dust and water resistance. It's tipped to pack the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 SoC paired with 8GB of RAM, and it runs on the Android 15 OS based FunTouchOS 15 custom skin out of the box. The Vivo V50e is said to feature a 50MP Sony IMX882 primary camera and an 8MP ultra-wide camera. It could house a 50MP front camera. The smartphone packs a 5500 mAh battery with 80W fast charging support. The Vivo V50e could be priced between 25,000 rupees and 30,000 rupees in India. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.